Rejection. It's something we all face, yet so many of us let it define us. Whether it's a job you didn't get, a relationship that didn't work out, or an idea that got shut down, rejection can feel like a personal attack. But what if I told you that rejection isn't the end of the road? In fact, it could be the very thing that leads you to your biggest success. Today, we're going to break down 5 best ways on how you can handle rejection and turn it into your greatest comeback. 1. Reframe rejection as redirection. One of the biggest mistakes people make is taking rejection personally. But here's the truth. Rejection is not a sign that you're not good enough. It's a sign that this particular opportunity wasn't the right one for you. Instead of seeing rejection as a stop sign, view it as a detour sign guiding you towards something even better. Think about Walt Disney. He was once fired from a newspaper job because they said he lacked creativity. Imagine if he had taken that personally and quit. Instead, he used that rejection as motivation to build an empire that changed entertainment forever. Your rejection today could be the redirection you need to reach your true success. Second, analyze and learn from it. Rejection stings, but instead of dwelling on the pain, study it. Ask yourself, why was I rejected? Was it something I can improve? What can I learn from this experience? Did I give my best effort, or is there something I could have done differently? Successful people don't just experience failure, they study it and adapt. When Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team, he didn't give up. He practiced harder than ever. The next year, he came back stronger, made the team, and the rest is history. Use rejection as feedback, not failure. 3. Build resilience, the next mindset. If you want to be successful, you must develop a next mindset. Every time you face rejection, instead of feeling defeated, say, next. For instance, did you not get the job? Next opportunity. Did someone say no to your business idea? Next investor. Did you get ignored after reaching out to someone? Next person. The faster you move forward, the sooner you'll find success. Rejection only has power over you if you let it keep you stuck. The most successful people in the world are not the ones who never face rejection, but the ones who never let rejection stop them. 4th, stop seeking validation from others. One of the biggest reasons rejection hurts is because we rely too much on external validation. We think that if someone rejects us, it must mean we're not good enough. But here's the harsh truth. You don't need everyone's approval to be successful. Take J.K. Rowling, for example. She was rejected 12 times by publishers before Harry Potter got published. What if she had let those rejections convince her that she wasn't a good writer? She believed in her work even when others didn't, and that's what made the difference. Stop waiting for people to approve of you. Approve of yourself first. 5. Use rejection as motivation. Rejection can either break you or fuel you. The choice is yours. Instead of letting it defeat you, turn it into a challenge. Say to yourself, did they say no? All right, watch me prove them wrong. Some of the most successful people thrive because of rejection. Oprah Winfrey was once told she wasn't fit for television. Steven Spielberg was rejected from film school multiple times. Did they give up? No. They used rejection as fuel to push even harder. So the next time someone says no, let it light a fire inside you. Success is the best revenge. In conclusion, rejection is not the end. It's the beginning of something greater. Reframe it, learn from it, develop resilience, stop seeking validation, and use it as motivation. Every no you hear brings you one step closer to the biggest yes of your life. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this message. Remember, rejection is never the final answer. It's just part of the journey to success.